Parts of a plant. Stems. In this investigation, we will use food coloring to show the functions of plant stems. First, cut the celery about 1 inch from the bottom. Add 5 drops of food coloring to a cup of water. Place the celery in the water. After a few hours, the celery is ready to be observed. The top of the celery showed that the water had moved up the stem. We can take a closer look at the celery under the SmartMicroScope 5M. The tubes have been dyed red by the food coloring. The stem of a plant transports food and water to the rest of the plant. There are 2 types of tubes that start in the roots of the plant. The xylem tubes carry water and minerals. The phloem tubes carry food. This time-lapse video was recorded with the SmartMicroScope 5M using the PC software. During transpiration, plants move water from the roots to their leaves for photosynthesis in xylem tubes. This process took about 2.5 hours, but we can watch it in 51 seconds. Notice the constant change that occurs as the xylem tubes are transporting the dyed water and minerals to the top. In a mature flowering plant or tree, most of the cells that make up the xylem are specialized cells called vessels. Vessels lose their end walls, so the xylem forms a continuous hollow tube. Transport in the xylem is a physical process. It does not require energy. Using the SmartMicroScope 5M500 microscope, we can take a closer look at the cells of the plant. The red holes are the xylem tubes. Another fun investigation is to put the celery in water dyed different colors. Repeating the experiment while leaving the leaves on the top of the celery showed that the blue food coloring had dyed the leaves as compared to the original celery. This allows us to see how the xylem transports water to all parts of the plant. A single celery stem was split and put into 2 different colors of dyed water. Notice the distinct blue and red areas at the top. The SmartMicroScope 5M and SmartMicroScope 5M500 come with free access to online investigations written in the 5E model and aligned to state standards and the NGSS. Check the description of this video for a link to more information about this investigation.